In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Klaviyo with Shopify. To begin, log into your Klaviyo account. Once you are in the main dashboard, find the Integrations area. This is where Klaviyo connects to the other tools you use, and Shopify is one of the most common ones for e-commerce stores. Inside Integrations, click Add Integration. You will see a list of available options. Select Shopify to start the connection process. Klaviyo will now ask for your Shopify store URL. Enter the full URL for your store exactly as it appears in your browser. Then click Connect to Shopify. This sends you into the Shopify side of the setup so you can approve the installation. Next, you will be taken to your Shopify admin. Look for the Install App button and click it. This step is important because it gives Klaviyo permission to access the store data it needs, like customer information and purchase activity, so your email and SMS marketing can be personalized and automated. After the app is installed, you will return to the Klaviyo integration settings. Here, check the box to sync your Shopify subscribers to a Klaviyo list. This is how you make sure people who sign up on your Shopify store are added to the right audience in Klaviyo. Choose the list you want from the drop-down menu. If you have multiple lists, pick the one that you plan to use for store-wide marketing, such as newsletters or promotions, so your subscribers stay organized from the start. Once you have selected your list, click Update Settings. That saves the integration preferences and begins the syncing process. Depending on your store size, it can take a little time for everything to fully populate, so it is normal if you do not see all data immediately. Now move back to Shopify for the final part. In your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes, and select Customize. In the theme editor, find App Embeds. Locate Klaviyo, toggle it to On, and then click Save. Turning on the app embed helps ensure Klaviyo features integrate properly with your storefront experience. And that is all there is to it.